Hey guys, welcome back. It's LenaLuciia, and this week we're at the ADH, which is a German-wide surf contest for all German universities here in Signas, France. And we're gonna have a great week with amazing surf contests, some great concerts, beach volleyball, a flea market. We're just gonna have a great time, and I'm gonna take you along. So let's get right into it. Even though the ADH offers a great alternative program for anyone who's not interested in surfing, the main reason over 800 people came to Signas this year was the surf competition. So flying across the dune, let's jump right into it. On the beach we have judges, competition helpers, commentators, and for the first time this year, a live stream. The contest is separated into longboard men, longboard women, shortboard men, and shortboard women. All of them first going into several heats and then going into quarter, semi, and finals to find this year's ADH surfing champ in each category. For anyone who's not that interested in surfing, there are volleyball tournaments, mixed and men, as well as round net, mixed and men, which are also ending in a final at the end of the week. However, you can also just lie in the sun, tan, watch others be active, and read a book if you want to.
You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Wasted love, yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose, cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape. I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
Arguably, my favorite part of the surf competition is the people cheering on the beach. It is so wholesome to see someone be supported by their friends, regardless of what the outcome might be, and for the pure stoke of it. Another favorite of mine though is the flea market. Here local businesses as well as photographers, bakeries, the sponsors of the event, and people selling their secondhand clothes come together to create a super chill hangout, browsing atmosphere with live music along the dunes and great self-made coffee.
Strings stay untied, that's usual. I'm not put together, better than you do. That's magic, I'm voodoo. You a doll playing dresser, but you'll get up, it's poo-poo. Okay, I'll fess up, I'm messed up, but that's true for you too. We stare at our messages, hoping for contact, like somebody please take us out of this nonsense. The world end after every broadcast, and to save it seemed a tall task with no cape and no cash and a broke call, no breaks and no stakes involved in the state of the world state. It's all lost, so we counting our birthdays. We party hard, get turned on a Thursday, and like we got it all, why we act in the first place. You raised by a screen, that shit get up in your nerve ends. You Looney Tune babies better know that you perfect. Nobody can tell you one thing, get your crazy, throw it all on the surface. Make yo something from nothing, take a shot at your purpose. Post a talk for a man who probably needs his own service, cause he's scared to death of how everyone thinks. Probably changed my whole look for a share on the feed. Too focused on the focus on screens, just taking pictures of moments where I should actually be. Welcome to
Sentí lo que esperaba, algo que no podría haber sin esperanza. Siento que gracias a la fe que me acompaña a bailar una y otra vez entre tus sábanas. Siento que eres mi locura, guardo tus horarios en mi cama, por si no vuelvo a verte, me quiero entre tus sábanas. Eres quien tiene la cura, no dejo de pensar en la magia, en nuestro amor que es tan fuerte, que no va a poder separarla. Tengo todo lo que me daba, escribo una canción para que me la baile al ritmo de una bachata, para enamorarte. Quiero que cuando yo te bese empañe los cristales de mi habitación al ritmo de una bachata, para enamorarte. Siento que eres mi locura, guardo tu dorado en mi cama, por si no vuelvo a verte, me quiero entre tus sábanas. Eres quien tiene la cura, no dejo de pensar en la magia, en nuestro amor que es tan fuerte, que no va a poder separarla.
Because I really want to share with you all the great surf content that we captured, this video kind of got out of hand and was a little too long, so I'm cutting it here, and you can come back to my channel next week for the second part of the awesome vlog. So I will see you then. Bye bye!